named after my daughter. I started Madison Reed to give you the most luxurious hair color made with ingredients you can feel good about. Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars at the salon, having appointments take 3 hours, and not knowing the ingredients in your hair color? Then you should try Madison Reed. You may know Madison Reed for its at-home hair color, but big news, we now have 6 locations in the Bay Area where we color your hair for you. We call them hair color bars. Book a service and let us take care of you in half the time it takes at a typical salon and for a fraction of the price. For a limited time, enjoy our new client offer on root services starting at $60. Visit madison-reed.com/San Francisco. That's madison-reed.com/San Francisco. Try it, love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
Progressive Snapshot can save you money based on how you drive and how much you drive. So the safer you drive, the more money you could save. Now, if you didn't hear that because you were yelling at another car while driving, let me say it again. You need to calm down. Yelling is just making everyone as stressed out as you are and letting them all know that you definitely aren't trying to save with Progressive Snapshot. And if you did hear it the first time because you weren't yelling at another car, nice work. You'd love Snapshot from Progressive because it rewards safe drivers. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates. Snapshot not available in California and North Carolina or from all agents.
Festivals, football, flannels. Some say fall is their favorite time of year. And this fall, there are now updated COVID-19 booster shots designed to help protect against COVID-19 variants. If you've had your primary series, schedule an updated COVID-19 booster shot appointment as soon as you're eligible. And don't forget to enjoy the foliage. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
Ready for some good news? The White House has announced a major student loan debt relief plan. This is great news if you have a federal student loan. We also urge anyone with a student loan to get ready. The COVID payment pause for student loans will end on December 31st. We're the Department of Financial Protection and Innovation, the government watchdog for Californians with student loans. You may qualify for relief. Check your eligibility now. Go to dfpi.ca.gov/back-on-track and see why so many people are celebrating.
Membership fees apply after free trial. Cancel anytime. Can I be real for a second? That goal you have to exercise and eat better, you really can do it, but nobody is going to do it for you. And nobody has to, because you can do it if you have the right tools and a community that cares about helping you get results. And that's us, Beachbody. It's as convenient as your TV or laptop, but you need to decide that you're worth it. Let us help you succeed. Here's how. Go to beachbody.com to claim your free membership and start feeling great.
Injured in an accident? Visit superwomansuperlawyer.com.
Is the fusion of entertainment and enlightenment. This is the Glenn Beck Program.
Hey, it's Sick Twisted Freak. Welcome to the program. What did we learn last night and what's happening? Did you know that there is still a reasonable route to have the Republicans control the Senate and Congress? Let me flip that. Did you know that there is a less likely road that the Democrats could keep the Congress? It's still all up in the air. Isn't progress great? I just love the progress we're making in this very, very high-tech world where anything can be secure. You know, you could have millions of dollars at a bank and there's no way people are going to be able to take that unless it's a state actor. But it doesn't seem to work that way for some unknown reason with our votes. Ha! Looks like Florida counted a lot of votes pretty quickly last night. What's up with the rest of you schlubs? We will give you the results and what it all means in 60 seconds. Share Sherry wrote in about her dog's experience with rough green. She said, from day one, my dog Lily started enjoying her food again. We were struggling to get her eat. Oh, don't you hate that? You're like, come on, man. Just eat, will you please? Because I want to eat. Every day. Look at me. Of course I want to eat. Every day was a battle, she said. The food frequently just got thrown out. It was really frustrating, as you might imagine. But now, she eats all of her food and has so much more energy. I will definitely continue to use rough greens and recommend it to others who have dogs. Thank you so much. Sherry, thank you for writing in. This is not a dog food. It's just a package, really, that you sprinkle on the dog's food. It's vitamins, minerals, probiotics, antioxidants, everything your dog needs to be healthy. Get your first trial bag for free at roughgreens.com/Beck. Roughgreens.com/Beck. Go there now. All you pay for is the shipping for your first trial bag. It's roughgreens.com/Beck or 833-GLEN-33. 833-GLENN-33. Well, hello, Pat. How are you? Yeah. I was really hoping we would get that.
Oh, yeah.
From
People
you
were requesting
today,
it.
but
Me too. I was all ready for it.
yeah. But, well, you know, it still could happen.
It could.
It still could happen.
Yeah. Georgia probably goes through a runoff, and maybe it happens on December 7th, 6th, 7th. Yeah. We'll probably find out 7th.
Yeah, good luck.
Yeah. It's probably true.
December
Christmas
7th?
morning, we will
December
wake up.
7th.
Yeah. A day that will live in infamy.
Oh, no.
Oh no. Look, there's a path here.
There is
for
a path.
Republicans to win again. You gotta win Alaska, which will go to the Republicans. Just a matter of which Republican it goes to.
Mhm.
Then you need to win 3 out of the 4
Of Nevada.
Georgia, Wisconsin, Georgia, Arizona.
Okay. Not going to win Arizona.
That's
not
not going to happen. It's not. I think you're right, but it's not. They haven't called the race yet, but
Right.
it's probably not going to happen.
So
Although
you're
I think Carrie
saying
Lake might
there's
win.
a shot?
Yes. We were talking about this off the air. The betting markets think it's about a 20% chance.
Oof.
Okay,
So that's not zero.
Of course, yesterday they were saying it was a 70% chance for Republicans to regain control of the Senate.
right.
Now, I think the last 538 model had it at 59% for Republicans to win.
This was
the
a
betting
betting
markets got up as high as 70, 75, 80% at times.
Yeah.
But it did not hold out. And look, you lost a couple key races. I mean, people are going to go back and question, a bunch of stuff. Everyone's going to find their little narrative out of this. But the bottom line is, it was an uphill battle for Republicans from the beginning in the Senate, and they're gonna either come very, very close and fall just short, or just get across that finish line.
What if the message to Republicans is, hey, we need to find a candidate with dementia and run that person and have them win office, because people
love it. They
our
love it.
candidates with dementia.
They love
it.
They love candidates that can't communicate.
Cognitively,
Impaired,
messed up.
some way.
Impaired, yeah.
Messed up.
We're gonna.
Or even better than the average person. Who
Yeah.
are you to judge?
That's
messed
right.
up.
Aren't there those movies where, like, the kid seems like she's a little out of sorts and can't really relate to the other kids, and all of a sudden you realize she has superpowers? Maybe that's what's going on with Fetterman.
Maybe he has.
Right.
By the way, I saw him come out with his wife, who's like 130, wife and children. Oh, that looked like a normal family.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I bet it
She came
did.
out with her either rubber dress or leather dress.
Oh,
But
nice.
Either way.
Rubber?
Nice.
Is it possible it was made out of rubber?
It is possible. You should have seen it. Look it up. Thank you.
Boy, I'm not interested in looking at
I'm running for Senate. 1. Hello. I mean, it was good. But
He's always good.
she looked scary as hell. She looked really frightening. Anyway, maybe that was just me. I don't want to judge her. It's like the people on The View. It was so wrong to make fun of Fetterman. It was just so wrong. And the very next day, they're talking. I can't remember who they're talking about. I think Carrie Lake. What's wrong with her? She's got like brain damage. You're like, what?
Wow.
What?
Wow.
Anyway, here's some more good news. DeSantis, the man who I believe holds the record now for the highest percentage